Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a long time when I'm thinking about doing this, but today I've decided let's get started with Premiere Pro. Let's roll the intro and dive straight into this video. Now, I thought about doing a long video that will teach you everything about Premiere Pro, and I felt that would be very hard for me to do. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a series of videos that will help you master this software or even get started with this particular software. So the first thing you need to do for us to get started with Premiere Pro is to install this software on your computer. Now, once you have this software installed in your computer, I'm going to advise you to open this particular software. After you opening this particular software, you will receive this amazing look or even confusing panel that right now you know nothing about. When you open up Premiere Pro, you have two sections. That is open new project or even open project. Opening new project, that means that you're opening a project that is going to be your first time to create or any edit in this particular software. And opening a project, that means that you're going to be opening a project that you might have worked on in the past. Due to the fact that for you have not yet worked on any project, you are going to open a new project. Once you click open new project, you will have to name the project any name that you feel like, or even you can decide to label your project any name that you feel like. You can decide to also use your particular name or even your own name for this example or for this learning purpose. Now, once you open, just leave all the other settings and all other sections and click create. After creating a new project, Premiere Pro gives you this nice workspace, all this nice panel where you're going to work or even operate from. So let me take you through the different sections of this particular software before we start importing or even we start editing. Now, the first section with this particular software is learning. In the learning section, you will be able to learn about this particular software. Now, with the upgrades of Premiere Pro, they have been able to also add a feature whereby this particular software can teach you how to use it or even how to edit with it. When you open the learning section, Premiere Pro will teach you step by step how to use this particular software. In the assembly section, this is where you organize your footage or even this is where you import your footage. What is importing? Importing is the process of you transferring your footage from your drive or even from your computer to the software. After the assembly section, we go to the editing section. Now, in the editing section, this is where we cut, this is where we also lay a montage or even this is where we edit from. From the editing section, we have another section that is called color. Now, in the color section, this is where you'll be able to color grade from. We have another amazing section which is called the effects section. Now, in the effects section, this is where we can add all the effects, or this is where we can be able to access all the effects from. So, if you need to add all those dissolve, or even those video effects and all the audio effects, this is where you will find all your effects from. After the effects section, we go into the audio section. Now, in the audio section, this is where you can be able to do all your audio designing, or even this is where you can be able to edit all your audio and add all the audio effects from. Why this section is very important? Because you need to always clean your audio. From the audio section, we go to another section in this particular software that is called graphics. Now, with the graphics section, this is where you can be able to add the minimal graphics, not those hard graphics that you see that are done in After Effects. Those can't be done here. Now, in the graphics section in Premiere Pro. Here you'll be able to add minimal graphics. That is like title, transitions, but those are just minimal. For you to add those add ones, you will be able to do it from After Effects. This takes us to another section in this particular software, which is the caption. In the caption section, here we add all those titles. We can also add all those lower thirds that you would like. Another section is called library. Now, library is not something that I believe you really need, but the library section, that is where you can also access all the clips that you imported, or even your content that you have used in this particular edit. Thank you guys for watching this video. I advise you to subscribe, because next week I will be bringing you another part that will continue from this particular point. Now that you know the different panels and different sections of this particular software, next time we shall be talking about how you can be able to import your footage from your computer to the software that we are using, which is Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Pastor Agenda. I advise you to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.